Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We are back with another video on GRE Word of the Day, and our today's word is infinitesimal. Infinitesimal is an adjective, Urdu meaning निहायत छोटा, कम तरीन, बेहद कम, मैक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल की कोई चीज़. English meaning extremely small, incalculably small. And now the example sentence. Even in infinitesimal amounts, this poison can kill you. Infinitesimal basically होता क्या है कि बहुत ही कोई छोटी चीज़, या आप इसे इस एक्सप्रेशन में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि किसी चीज़ के होने के चांसेस जब बहुत कम हों. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, the chances of Alex going on a date with Maggie are infinitesimal. Likewise, you can say that the instrument was so sensitive that even the infinitesimal dust particles altered the reading. So I hope कि आपको ये वर्ड भी समझ आ गया होगा और आपको ये वीडियो भी पसंद आई होगी. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also the task is you have to use this word in your own sentences. Thank you.